Today I'm going to show you how to bridge your assets from Ethereum mainnet over to the Polygon network. Within our dApp, we have the official Polygon Bridge widget embedded natively. But before we get started, let's take a look at our current setup. Right now, my MetaMask wallet is currently connected to Ethereum mainnet, and you can see that in this version of the application, Ethereum mainnet is not a supported network. If you haven't already, go ahead and add the Polygon network to your MetaMask wallet by clicking this button. Since I already have the Polygon network added to my list of providers, I don't need to do that. So let's head over to the Polygon Bridge tab, and you'll see the official widget pop up. Clicking on this link, it will pop up MetaMask and have us sign in to the Polygon Bridge. Click sign. And taking a look inside my wallet, you'll see I have 1 Ethereum and about 100 Matic, which is Polygon's native asset used to pay for gas fees on the Polygon network. So first thing we're going to do is, you can see we want to deposit from Ethereum. Let's take half an Ether because we still want to have some Ether on this wallet to pay for gas on the Ethereum chain. And we're going to bridge it to the Polygon chain. Click deposit to Polygon. The transfer mode is proof of stake, and I'll go ahead and hit deposit. MetaMask pops up. Check your gas fee, and then hit confirm. So that transaction is submitted, and after a certain number of confirmations, it will show up in our Polygon wallets. So you can see we have a confirmation there. And then I have this button here which will allow me to add Ether to MetaMask in the Polygon chain. I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and it's going to switch my network to Polygon. And you can see it's asking me to switch. And then if I open up MetaMask again, you can see it's asking me to add Ethereum to my Polygon wallet. I'll click Add Token, click on Assets, and I don't have a balance here yet, so it's not showing up. Let's switch back to Ethereum, and let's port over some Matic tokens so we can pay for some fees. Signing back in, I'll select Matic token, and then I'm going to go ahead and just take all the Matic token I have. 100 Matic token is far more than you'll ever need to pay for fees. And you'd probably be fine with, 2 or 3 Matic tokens. So I'll hit deposit to Polygon, approve. And since this is an ERC20, I first need to approve the transaction before I submit it. And this is giving permission to the Polygon Bridge to spend my Matic tokens. Now that the approval is done, I'll hit deposit. MetaMask pops up to confirm. I double check the gas fee and hit confirm. After about 10 to 15 minutes, you can see that the deposit transactions have completed for both Matic and Ethereum. So I'll go up to my MetaMask wallet, I'll switch my provider to Polygon, and then I'll select assets, and you can see I have both Matic and my Ethereum ready to use on the Hifi app. And that's how you bridge your assets from Ethereum mainnet over to Polygon. When it's time to go back, you can sign back in to the Polygon Bridge, and instead of saying deposit, you can select withdraw and follow the same process to bring your assets back to the Ethereum mainnet. Now that your assets have been ported over to Polygon, you're ready to borrow, lend, or pool on Hifi V1 public preview on Polygon.